In this video on PSAT, SAT prep, we're going to work a second question that involves probability. And so if you need some more practice on this concept, you can just search on YouTube PSAT/SAT prep probability, and you'll find another video where we solve a different question on probability. Now in this problem, we're given a table that shows the kinds of food that are fed to the cats and dogs that are currently being boarded at a pet care facility. And the entire key to getting this question correct lies in the phrasing of the question. And so let's read that real carefully here together. It says, what fraction of the cats? Now that's a very important little three-word phrase there that tells me I only want to concern myself with the information from this table that regards cats. And so the row here that talks about dogs, I'm going to cross it out. It's not relevant to what we want to do here. So is the row about the total. Those two rows are not relevant to answering this particular question. What fraction of the cats? Now, we want to know what fraction of the cats are fed both wet and dry food. And so if we look at this particular column, this second column right here, this is where we're going to find the number of animals that are fed both wet and dry food. And so what we want to do here is put a fraction where the numerator is the number of cats that are fed both wet and dry food. And we can see clearly here that that would be 11. And we can do this in black so that it's a little easier to see, 11. And then in the denominator, we want to put the total number of cats. And so the total number of cats is going to be 16. Therefore, the fraction that we're after here to answer this question would be 11/16. That is the fraction of the cats that are fed both wet and dry food. Now, go back onto the Google form and see if you can answer the question that you were given correctly.